Hi there and welcome back to my channel, my friends. John here from Romania. I like to talk about online entrepreneur and make money online. Feel free to look around the channel and consider subscribing. Simply introduce this free application, follow the means from this video and begin making your genuine cash from the solace of your own home. Furthermore, this is presumably going to be probably the most straightforward approaches to bring in cash online ever. Since all you have to do is simply introduce the application, join it with the plug code.in, which I'm going to appear within this video. You don't need to sell anything, you don't need to do partner showcasing or any of the hard stuff, yet you're despite everything going to have the option to make some fair measure of cash on the web. So it's unquestionably going to be an incredible video. Yet, before we jump into that, on the off chance that you haven't as of now, make certain to look around the channel and hit the subscribe button, since I'm posting recordings about bringing in cash online each and every week. So in the event that you hit the subscribe button with the bell notification on, I will advise you at whatever point I have another new procedure like this one to bring in cash on the web, so you can be one of the first to utilize that technique, utilize that application or utilize that site to bring in cash on the web, and that way not exclusively will you be out in front of your rivals, obviously you will get the most cash flow. And all things considered, we will hop straight into my laptop, show the application and how you can utilize it to make some decent amount of money on the web. Alright, we are presently within my PC, and simply remember that on the off chance that you follow the means from this video, you will have the option to bring in cash with this application without observing any exhausting recordings, click on unessential advertisements, gather focuses, or anything of that nature. Yet, other than that, I will give you one instrument that will assist you with setting everything on complete autopilot, so you can bring in some cash hands-free. Thus it can truly take you under 5 minutes to set it up. Presently, despite the fact that you may have seen the promotion that we'll be utilizing today, don't click up, on the grounds that I'm certain that you have never utilized it such that we will utilize it today. What's more, I have never observed anybody talk about this system on YouTube ever previously. So simply sit, unwind, give close consideration to this however to you and just after he installs the application and begin bringing in cash. Furthermore, all things considered, the application that we'll be consolidating with a couple of more stages to rake in boatloads of cash today will be plugco.in. So indeed, I surmise a great deal of you all have caught wind of this application, however trust me, you have never utilized it such that we will utilize it today. Furthermore, for those of you all that have never caught wind of the blog application, it will let me clarify you how this really functions and how this works. This application permits individuals to make many dollars each and every day. You know, I've done a huge amount of research. What's more, I've seen a great deal of audits, a ton of FedEx on this application, and individuals are adoring it, since they're making several dollars each and every day. In any case, indeed they're accomplishing the work themselves. So they didn't have a clue about the key to which I'm going to appear within this video, and how you can lawfully computerize everything, as you don't need to go through a long stretch of time chipping away at this application. What's more, you can see a portion of the surveys, a portion of their individuals said like, it's so straightforward, they made $300 per day, which is extremely incredible, you know, and one basic application permits you to make several dollars. And how this really functions? Well, within the blog application, you have a wide range of applications. Indeed, I realize it may sound odd. Be that as it may, truly, within the application, we have a wide range of applications for which you can become referrals. So you have this applications, and afterward down underneath you can duplicate the connection by tapping on these sort of catches going to duplicate the referral interface. And you should simply share it, and at whatever point somebody introduces that application, you realize that application is completely free. At whatever point somebody introduces that application utilizing your referral connect, you're going to pay a particular measure of plug coins, which you would then be able to trade for genuine money and send it directly to your PayPal account. 1,000 attachment coins rises to $50. Also, what I saw by and large, individuals are getting paid around 20 attachment coins for every application introduced, which implies around $1. Once in a while it can go up to $3 per application introduced. Be that as it may, the normal number is around $1 per application introduced, which is extraordinary on the grounds that you should simply share your referral interface. What's more, individuals need to introduce the application, they don't need to pay for anything, they simply need to introduce a particular application. They can utilize it for like 5 minutes and erase your despite everything going to get paid, which is extraordinary. You can get paid $1 or more per application introduced, and in the event that you continue watching this video, I'm really going to show you various stages where you can set this up on complete autopilot. You actually truly get a large number of downloads on and complete autopilot with no online live following, so for the time being, you can simply approach the plugco.in and you can peruse progressively about the application. However, fundamentally it's a truly perfect intended to proficient lab and I truly love it. You can see bring in cash and fitting coins for your advancements, transform coins into money at whenever with an arrangement of quick installments. View your record history easily. So as should be obvious, you should simply enter your PayPal email address directly here. At that point hit them money out and they're going to send you cash ridiculously quick legitimately to your PayPal account. You can likewise follow your advancements continuously to reach examination and notices. Furthermore, they additionally have an extremely pleasant referral program. So now you can gain 500 plug coins after your referral wins 1000 plug focuses. You can even allude this application to your loved ones and reveal to them that they can acquire some decent amount of money with the plugco.in. Presently let me give you how you can set everything on an autopilot, as he guaranteed you will directly. Before I show that, on the off chance that you haven't as of now, make certain to drop a like to this video, leave a comment, since you realize that when I see you leaving preferences and remarks under my recordings, I realize that you are appreciating them and I realize that you're getting an incentive out of my recordings, which is toward the day's end the most significant part. So in the event that you do welcome me transferring week after week, bring in cash online systems and week after week business thoughts, simply hit the like button, leave an approval, that is all I'm requesting. And on the off chance that you have any inquiries or essentially need some assistance, leave a comment and I will answer as soon as I can. Don't hesitate to leave a remark down underneath in light of the fact that I've implied those remarks, and I will attempt to answer as quickly as time permits or when I see your remark. And so, simply introduce the Plugco application legitimately to your cell phone gadget. Also, when you have it introduced, simply snatch your referral connect for any of these applications is going to pay like $100 to $350. So suppose you snatch a referral interface for an application that is going to pay you $1 per introduce. Presently with that referral connect, you should go to the principal stage that we'll be utilizing. We have various stages. So continue watching this video. Would prefer click I not to see the primary stage. The principal stage will be shoutcart.com, so in the event that you accompany the shoutcart.com, you will have the option to see this is an influencer showcasing stage by Yellcart, so you can reach more than 600 million dynamic adherents and supporters when you shout out cart.com. And fundamentally this is where influencers, individuals with an extremely huge online life nearness. They have a great deal of adherents, they have a ton of requests, they have a major crowd. They will approach here to sell shadows. What's more, they will really sell it for super modest. So your promotion can be seen by a large number of individuals in a particular specialty for like under $10. However, on the off chance that you don't have even $10 put into this, at that point stay with me in light of the fact that not exclusively will I show you even a free traffic source, but at the same time I'm going to show you toward the finish of the video where you can get $10 to $20 for totally free, and afterward utilize that cash to put into this and appreciate some aloof benefit joined with the Plugco application. So once you get the referral connect, I need to give you something. On the off chance that you look over right down to the base of the site and you go to the shoutcart.com, you click on the examples of overcoming adversity directly here. It will take you over to the following page where you can see their past clients. What's more, you can see that a large portion of these are really advancing their applications utilizing influencer promoting. So you can see that these folks burn through $1,000 in days. However, there is consistently they got more than 10,000 downloads for their application, just Rimshot card alone more than 10,000 downloads. So suppose you go through $1,000 every day, so I'm not idiotic. I'm not instructing you to burn through 1,000 bucks in the goal. 1,000 bucks into this current, that is a great deal of cash. I'm demonstrating how it can begin outrageously modest and simply scale it up and get increasingly more cash flow. However, you can see that this gives you gigantic potential. They burn through $1,000 in, suppose you were being paid $1 per one introduce. What's more, in the event that you figure it out, that will be over $10,000 in unadulterated benefit. So you put $1,000 into this and you get an arrival on venture over $10,000. That is a $9,000 unadulterated benefit from this. What's more, obviously, you won't have put $1,000 into this quickly. They presumably didn't put $1,000 into this promptly. They most likely began with like 10 bucks. At that point they begin expanding that expanding, you know, you can just reinvest that cash over into this. Furthermore, it resembles a snowball impact. This has a monstrous potential, particularly with the second apparatus which I'm going to give you within this video. What's more, you likewise have diverse applications, as should be obvious. These folks got more than 48,000 downloads just Richard card alone. So this has a monstrous potential. As I show you, there are more than 600 million devotees joined on the shout card, so you can connect parcel of individuals. So on the off chance that you head toward the perusing area by tapping on the amplifying glass that will be directly here. In the event that you click on that, that is going to give all of you diverse official burden. I will choose just Instagram so we can see every extraordinary page that are selling their shout out. If you want to learn how to start making money online, click on the video that on the screen now and watch this until the end. Thanks for watching. John from Romania. I wish you all